Let's take a deep dive into the world of vitamins, those miraculous compounds that are the very essence of life itself. The term vitamin is derived from vita, the Latin word for life, illustrating their fundamental role in our body's health and well-being. This video will explore the critical vitamins that are non-negotiable for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle, especially for those of us who are fitness enthusiasts. So, buckle up as we embark on this enlightening journey through the world of vitamins. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you won't miss any of our future health-packed content. Our story begins with vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, a powerhouse in the realm of vitamins and a champion for muscle mass. This vitamin stands out not only for its health benefits, but also for its pivotal role in the synthesis of muscle fibers. Research has consistently shown that adequate intake of vitamin C can significantly boost muscle mass, while a deficiency can slow down or even halt progress in its tracks. This is not only true for athletes, but also for the average person. In studies where individuals were divided based on their vitamin C intake, those consuming an adequate amount retained their muscle mass much better over time compared to those who did not. It's fascinating to note that the recommended daily intake varies, with suggestions ranging from 50 mg to 100 mg. For those actively engaging in physical activities, erring on the higher side of this recommendation is usually best. But where, one might ponder, does this extraordinary vitamin lurk? The answer lies tantalizingly close and is far tastier than one might initially suspect. The citrus family, boasting members such as the vibrant orange and the zesty grapefruit, are celebrated carriers of vitamin C, delivering not just flavor, but a hefty nutritional punch. Yet, the realm of vitamin C extends beyond the citrus grove, finding a home in the verdant fields of vegetables. Tomatoes, with their rich red allure, and bell peppers, available in a kaleidoscope of colors, are brimming with this essential nutrient, making them not just culinary staples, but nutritional powerhouses. However, the crown jewel in my quest for vitamin C is none other than the kiwi fruit. This small, fuzzy exterior belies the vibrant emerald interior, rich in vitamin C. Consuming just one kiwi can not only fulfill, but potentially surpass your daily vitamin C requirement. Moreover, its contribution extends beyond vitamin C, offering a bounty of other vital nutrients. The kiwi fruit stands as a testament to nature's generosity, providing a delicious, nutrient-packed option for those seeking to enhance their vitamin intake. As we move on, let's turn our attention to vitamin D, a vitamin that's as crucial for our muscles as the sun is for the earth. Vitamin D plays a vital role in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, two minerals that are essential for muscle contraction and the synthesis of ATP, the primary energy carrier in our cells. The importance of vitamin D for muscle growth and athletic performance cannot be overstated, with research showing a clear link between adequate vitamin D levels and improved sports performance. However, obtaining enough vitamin D can be a bit tricky, as it is not as readily available in food sources as other vitamins. While it is present in eggs, dairy, and fish liver oil, the amounts are often insufficient for daily needs. Sun exposure is a natural way to boost vitamin D levels, but for many of us living in less sunny latitudes or during the winter months, supplementation may be the most effective way to ensure adequate intake. But our journey doesn't end here. We also have the dynamic duo of vitamins A and E, both powerful antioxidants that play significant roles in muscle health. Vitamin A is not only crucial for protein synthesis, but also for the production of glycogen, a key energy source for our muscles. Meanwhile, vitamin E contributes to the recovery and health of muscle cells by protecting cell membranes. These vitamins can be found in a variety of food sources, including vegetables, nuts, seeds, and dairy products. The balance and variety in your diet can ensure you're getting these essential nutrients to support your fitness goals. In the grand scheme of things, Our bodies are complex systems that thrive on a balance of nutrients, including a spectrum of vitamins that support every aspect of our health and performance. For anyone looking to build muscle, improve athletic performance, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, understanding the role of these vitamins and incorporating them into your diet is key. While it's always best to get these nutrients from food, supplements can be a helpful addition to ensure you're meeting your body's needs. As we bring our insightful journey through the realm of essential vitamins for muscle health to a close, it's vital to remember that achieving a healthier, more robust physique is a long-term commitment, a marathon, not a sprint. The path to wellness requires consistent effort, patience, and a keen focus on nourishing your body with the precise blend of vitamins and nutrients it demands. This holistic approach not only fosters muscle growth but also enhances overall health, ensuring that every step forward is a step towards a more vibrant, energetic you. For those of you captivated by the intricate dance between nutrition and physical excellence, particularly the pivotal role minerals play in muscle development, I encourage you not to let your curiosity wane. Hit the like button, share your thoughts, questions, or any revelations you've had during our discussion in the comments below. Your engagement and feedback are the sparks that could ignite our next adventure, potentially exploring the vast landscape of minerals essential for muscle fortitude and resilience. This invitation to delve deeper into the symbiotic relationship between diet and muscle dynamics isn't just about enhancing physical appearance or performance. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes health and well-being, understanding that each nutrient, each meal, contributes to the larger picture of your health journey. So, if the intricacies of how minerals contribute to muscle growth pique your interest, let us know. Your enthusiasm and inquisitiveness could lead us to our next enlightening exploration, shedding light on the minerals that are pivotal in sculpting stronger, more durable muscles. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the essential vitamins for muscle health, enjoy this video, subscribe to our channel, and join us as we continue to explore the basic elements of a healthier life. Until next time, keep looking your best, and remember to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. See you in the next video. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the essential vitamins for muscle health, enjoy this video, subscribe to our channel, and join us as we continue to explore the basic elements of a healthier life. Until next time, keep looking your best, and remember to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. See you in the next video.